Welcome back to the C tutorial series. I'm so glad you're here. Today we will learn about the importance of comments in C. So let's get started. In the previous video, we created a file that added two numbers. But if you're a user looking at this for the first time, you might not know what it does. So we see here that it says enter two numbers to add, and then it scans for two numbers, and let's create a comment. And C, you do this by doing two slashes, and this takes in two numbers as doubles. And I'll just put this right here. And when you run a C program, it doesn't read comments. Comments are helpful for the user. It will sum the two numbers, so I'll say sum two numbers as a double, and then it will print out the new number. Prints out the answer. And for example, if we entered 1 and 3, it would print out 1 plus 3 equals 4. And C, you can also have multi-line comments if you wanted to. To do this, do a slash, then a star, then close it with a star and a slash. So this is a multi-line comment. Typically at the top of files, you may want to put some useful information. So I'll say this program is comments.c. Since it is that, then I'll say author, and I'll put my name. Then I'll put a brief description of what it does. And I'll just say this program introduces comments. And sometimes at the top of the file, you might see several trailing stars like this that surround the entire comment. And that is fine. It's not necessary, but it is a good practice since you can easily visualize that it's a comment and that it's at the beginning of your program. So this is an overview of comments, and it's very helpful because it explains what a file does, and if you come back a year from now, you can understand what it does. And let's insert another line in the comment and say this program asks the user for two numbers and sums them. And as you see here, this is very descriptive of what it does. Now let's run this just as a review from last time. And if we enter 1 and 3, it returns 1 plus 3 equals 4. And that's an introduction of how to use comments in C. Next, we will introduce the if statement in our C programs. Make sure to follow along with this video series by subscribing and hitting the notification bell, or by clicking on the next video so that you can expand your knowledge about C. Thank you so much, and I can't wait to see you next time.